my emotion got the best out of me today. Not a huge red day, but my performance was complete shit. But let's jump into pretty much the chart. So to be down $208, again, not a big red day, something we come back from easily, but I'm just very upset with my performance. So I ended up taking 2 stab on the video. The first stab, just to bring it back, as I mentioned in my pre-market prep, I wasn't loving the video, so I think this is kind of what stopped me from like executing once we got clean pattern. But I wasn't loving how we were trading in pre-market session, and the volume in pre-market session wasn't loving either or. So in my mind, I kind of came with the mentality that NVDA wasn't going to work out today, and it actually ended up working out. So just to look at pretty much the chart itself. So right off the open, we actually chose the direction, push higher. We actually broke 900 psychological level, and around this area, I was about to execute. Again, I had my stop loss right below. I wanted to see us pretty much, not right below, I had it right below 900. A stop loss right now below 900 for a move to pretty much this daily key level. What I wanted to see was a 1 minute high. And it happened. I had the contract load up and everything. It happened in front of my face. And then I just wasn't convinced on this trade working out, maybe again, because I came with the mentality that NVIDIA wasn't looking good for today. But this triggered some pretty bad FOMO. My emotion definitely got triggered, and seeing this play work out in front of my face. Yes, it wasn't like the cleanest play, but it worked out in front of my face. I felt a ton of FOMO. Then around this area, I remember again, I was about to, so another bull flag, right pretty much below daily key level. So holding stronger than pretty much just holding pretty strong. Right here, I wanted to see a hold of 905. Had the contract load up again and everything, and froze. And again, felt FOMO again. I'm like, fuck, and that caused me to chase. It's just, again, it's very hard sometimes to manage your emotion, but this definitely got the best out of me today. Look where I enter. It was just terrible. So we closed above this daily key level. We tested, push higher, and I entered right below 910. Like right below 910 before even testing 910. It was just a pretty poor performance. Really, like, just chased. We pulled back, came back up. I saw it having a bit of a hard time trying to hold above 910. So exit one contract. Notice, as you can see here, I exit one contract, and it was pretty much break even. As soon as I saw it was pretty much break even, I was like, all right, let me just exit. I don't even deserve to make money with this trade because my performance was complete shit with this trade. And honestly, I was about to call it. It was gonna be a break even day, $6, pretty much break even day. I was gonna call it, and I did call it. I actually went upstairs. I went to have breakfast and came back. When I started to do my review, I saw NVIDIA setting up really nice. So this is pretty much what I saw. So boom, as you can see in the 5-minute, nice push, period consolidation around this area. Actually the same candle is where I enter. So it was pretty much a hold of 915. That's what I was looking for a break of high day for continuation. I mean, it was looking really good for a nice continuation. And that was my train of thought. And that was actually my train of thought on the second trade. But same thing happened once again. And this is what pretty much took me over to like be really upset with my performance today, is that I said I was going to call it. I didn't call it. And then I came back and chased once again. So look where I entered. It was just like very terrible performance today. On the push higher around this area, I was wanting to see a confirmation of a close of 915. So once this candle closed above 915, this is my train of thought at the time. Once we close up above 915, I want to see a break of this 1 minute high to enter. But now looking back, of course, I'm like, I was just chasing and getting in pretty much right below pretty much previous higher day, which was pretty much 916.88. So it was just very poor entry. And to make things even worse, I didn't want to set my loss. We tested my stop loss, and my thesis was a hold over 915. This for 1 minute candle close. Once we made a 1 minute low, I exit. But either way, I should have exited a little bit as soon as my stop loss got triggered. which it was if we got below 915. And even there, it was just pretty poor performance. After that, I was like, okay, 2 trades, let me just back away. And I was like, I can't, like, pretty upset with my performance, to say the least. I'm pretty upset with my performance. It's not a huge red day. I know I could come back easily, but just my performance, I can't believe I let myself get so out of control with just that. But again, just need to learn from it. Definitely those 2 trades that potentially I messed out, definitely trigger some pretty bad FOMO, causing me to chase once again here. I should have honestly just called it, but in my mind I was thinking this was gonna work because of how I was setting up, but it was past my time. It was around 10:44, just pretty poor performance. But that being said, not happy at all with my performance, but it is what it is. It's not a big red day. I'm not really upset about, again, red days, you can't control those. What I'm upset is my performance with those trades. And not only that, breaking my rules and coming back to trade when I told myself I was not going to take any other trades. But this is trading for years. Like, it's pretty much just learning from your mistakes. That's about it. Today was pretty poor performance. Need to learn from it, and tomorrow come back stronger. That's the only thing you could do as a trader.